For the first time in PHLster history, we're having a Black Friday sale on all of our holsters, enigmas, and apparel. For the entire month of November, you can get some of your favorite PHLster products for 15% off, no code required. Your discount will apply automatically at checkout. But while you're browsing through the sale, keep an eye out for all of the new changes that we've made on our brand new website. This website has been completely reconfigured and optimized based off of your feedback and customer experience. PHLster has grown quite a bit over the last few years, but every single PHLster employee is still customer facing. We're still interacting with you guys on the daily, and we are listening to your feedback. You can now find all of our relevant resources exactly where you're looking for them, and we've also updated our AI customer service bot, Phil, to be even better at answering your questions. If you have any further questions before pressing the buy button during this month-long sale, please feel free to comment on this video, ask Phil, or you can contact our customer service directly on our website. Happy shopping!